Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 13th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is having a little down day today, down $17.16, down 2.5%. And post market, we seem to be pretty much even Steven, minus 19 cents. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So basically, we had a breakout 2-3 days ago, and now today we have a red candle, and that candle touched the resistance that we had drawn at 694. So basically, this is confirming the resistance at 694. And basically what happened is that the stock, since we broke out of this huge resistance that has now become support, we have been basically going back into this congestion zone that we started on June 24th, the first time when we came out of that resistance. So basically the stock is stuck between 657 and 694, and there's a smaller support at 667. So basically we are going sideways. Is this unexpected? I don't think it's unexpected. So Tesla had a great day yesterday, so we are having a little bit of a pullback, but we have a higher low today than we had yesterday, so that's good news. And we also had a higher high. The only downside is that this is a red candle, so we started above and we closed down a little bit below. Let's look at the hour chart to see if we cannot understand something more. I had some comments about my microphone. Thank you for the comment. I am a little bit surprised because I don't hear, I think, what you guys seems to be hearing. So what I am doing today is I just disconnected my microphone. This is what I had. So I am using the microphone that's on my computer. So tell me if this is better. And I also have a microphone on order, so I should be getting it momentarily. So basically, this is the 930 candle. So we opened quite high here. We opened at 686 and we went as high at 693. So pretty high. And then we came down, and not coincidentally, but we went down to pretty much the same level that we were yesterday at 10:30. So see, we have this little support here that I won't draw at 675. There's a little support, and the stock even rebounded on it today. We rebounded on it, and then we just fell through it. Let me see this. So we have a support at 667. So basically, this is an intraday support that we had drawn. And see here, the 667 was used on June 24th, was used also June 25th, and now we are reusing it again. And we see a little candle here, a green candle. That's one thing. We see a bigger wick at the bottom. So maybe we are going to rebound on 667 for tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see. We are going to take it. But in fact, we are confirming that 667 is a support also. So 657, 667, and 694 as resistance. We had a discussion on the channel, on the comments on YouTube here about the way to do resistance line. There are several ways of doing resistance line. The way I did them was that, look at this here. So I used all of these points here around January 25th. And these points coincided with this high here of April 14th. And this is what made me do this resistance like this. So based on this resistance, we had the breakout on June 24th, and it was a successful breakout because we stayed above that resistance for a while. And then we went and retested the horizontal support before going back up again. So some people said, well, you should have, in such nice words, well, you should have done it like this. Well, yes, I could have done it like this. I would have touched this, but I would have missed this part here. And in the end, would it have made a difference? Would it have made a difference in how you trade this stock? I don't think so. And the other point here is that this candle that we have today here that is touching 694 is confirming that 694 is really a resistance and that the stock is in a congestion zone. So this is how I see it. You may see it differently. That's fine. We can all have our opinions without getting angry at each other. If we look at the indicators, stochastic is going a little bit down. This is a little bit to be expected because of the candle today. So stochastic is at 70, so held up pretty good. So it's still a thumbs up. In terms of the MACD is still crossed over positive, and the two lines are still above zero. Two thumbs up, and the DMI is saying, yes, this is good. Stay in Tesla. This is going to go places. So basically, let's just see what is going to happen for the rest of the week, and also what is going to happen when the earnings are going to be announced. Here I have it here for period ending July 13th. I don't see a date, but when the earnings will be coming out, it's going to be interesting to see what happens to the stock. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. I read all of your comments and respond to most of them. And if you become a member of this channel, I will for sure respond to your comment. This is my pledge. If you are a member, you have privilege in terms of my responses. We have a Patreon account, we have a Discord server, we have a TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.